Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to report that I'm currently in Ojai, one of my favorite places in the world. Definitely one of my favorite places in California. It's so beautiful here. I'm here with Sweet Laurel Bakery. They invited me here on a little retreat weekend, so I'm so happy to be here. They do really delicious baked goods. The snickerdoodles that I had last night, so delicious. Grain-free, gluten-free, vegan, all of that good stuff. I got in last night and we made these citrus wreaths with rosemary and roses and oranges and lemons, and they turned out so beautiful. And today I am makeup free because I'm going to be getting a facial, which I am very excited about. And I heard there's a goat down by the barn in the area that I'm going to get a facial, so I'm very excited to meet this goat. If you guys didn't know, I just love goats so much. I think they're the cutest animals in the world. And we are just going to have a very chill retreat style weekend. This place is gorgeous. It's a Spanish style casa. It's called Vista Farms in Ojai, and I'm definitely already thinking about the next time that I want to come back here.
Of that kind of European style, as you can tell, cooler climate, enough acidity to really balance everything out. So that's always the game, is playing around until it gets to something remotely consistent every year.
This is my second snickerdoodle cookie of the night. I scarfed down the first one, and so I asked Laurel to tell us how you made this. It's so good. It's vegan, right?
So this is a vegan, gluten-free snickerdoodle. I created this recipe because I love cinnamon. I just really loved the smell of cinnamon baking.
Yeah.
The best.
I know, it just feels like home too when you smell that.
Yeah.
This just tastes like they were just made. Do you know what I mean? Like they haven't had time to, you know what I mean? It tastes like a cookie tastes at the minute it comes out of the oven.
Yeah, so it's the almond flour. Almond flour is one of my favorite core ingredients because it just is so nutrient dense and it has all the good fats. So it adds moisture to the cookies and it makes it decadent and delightful and adds all these really good fats.
I love fire. It's just it makes me want to take a bath though.
It feels
and
like
a
Jacuzzi. They have a jacuzzi. You brought your swimsuit.
Decided to venture out a little bit and go exploring. Dun 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 dun! I found an avocado tree, which I'm very happy about. I never get to see avocado like this. None of them are ripe at all, but it's interesting to see what color they start off. It's sort of this maroonish color and then also green on the other side. You end up wanting them to look obviously around this color, but this one's nowhere near ripe. There's some orange trees that I see over here. So I'm going to go pick an orange fresh off the tree and then eat it. This guy looks like he's just chilling here waiting for me, so I'm gonna take him. This is my snack. There is something really special about picking an orange right off of the tree, sitting down. Wow, this baby is juicy. Look at this. Woo! Taking it right off the tree. Wow, oh my gosh. I can't even describe to you guys. Mmm. This is the juiciest orange I've ever had. Oh my gosh. Just got to the barn for my facial, and it is so beautiful in here. Hello. Hello. So pretty. What a beautiful home you have.
If you want to put your gown on while you're back there,
Oh, sure. Yeah.
as well.
Cool.
And baby. So the bathroom's just this door here.
This is the moment I've been waiting for. No, you can't come inside though. Come here. All right, I've got my wrap on, ready to go get my facial. This bathroom is beautiful. I would like that bathtub in my life. We've got somebody waiting for me, I'm sure. Oh, okay, snacking. Just having a little snack time. Oh my goodness. We are going to get started. Allison is going to be giving me my facial today, and I am very excited. Oh my gosh, my skin feels amazing.
I think it looks amazing, but only you can say that.
It's so glowy and beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you. I'm like, I never want to wear makeup again and just do this.
So pretty.
Thank you.
Look at you, like just no makeup needed.
Oh my gosh.
So clear cleanser. This will be your cleanser. And then what we're going to give you is the Clear Pure Radiance Oil, which is going to hydrate your skin, but also help prevent breakouts. You're gonna take the Cellular Repair Serum into the antioxidant booster, and you're just going to mix the two together.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
And then you're going to scoop all this goodness up and just apply to your face, neck, and décolleté. Make sure you applied all the face, the neck, and the chest.
Oh,
and if you have any left
so
over, to your
nice.
hands.
Oh, nice.
It smells.
Yeah, it smells. It does smell so good.
Astaxanthin is what's giving this incredible antioxidant, but it gives it its color. So
yeah, it's
this
amazing.
is a great way to maintain your facial at home.
I'm so excited because my face feels amazing right now, and the fact that I get to have that with me at home. It's awesome.
Yay!
Facials, goats, kitty cuddles. What more could you really want? You're like, no!
It's like going really fast. There was a moment there where I was like, we're gonna tip over.
That was really good though. You went into that. You were like, okay, we're going, and I'm just gonna smooth it out. This is happening in full force.
Driving in like the snow.
Oh my gosh, awesome. We've got our little windbreaker jackets on.
I know, we are like really matching
Going like
right
this.
now.
It's like, I know. And
I know, all we're missing is someone wearing yellow, and then we could just be the primary color.
That'd be awesome. Little crayons.
I know.
We are walking to yoga right now.
It's so beautiful here. There's also this light mist coming
know.
down, which is actually really lovely.
Really nice. Last night it actually rained, but right now it's just a nice little mist, and it's very refreshing and beautiful with the sun.
I know, and we're surrounded by avocado trees.
It's gorgeous. middle of yoga and all of a sudden there's a full rainbow outside. Oh my gosh.
You have to take
With
a break.
the birds. Oh my.
You can't not.
You have to.
Wow, that is...
The second one is more intense.
Oh, I have a good picture. You guys sit on your mat.
Goodbye, beautiful room. Also, I really love that this is on the wall in here. If any of you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, comment below and let me know if you remember the video that I did called Be Brave and the little campaign that I did. Let me know. It was like back in 2014, a long time ago, but let me know if there's some OGs in the comments.